XAE power wiring. Let's take a look at the high voltage power wiring for the XAE. So the wiring comes in through this conduit connector. There's a strain relief location here if you want to use the little hole in this bracket. That's what it's there for. Bring our wires over to this terminal block. So we have the earth ground, hot in the center, and neutral on the outside. Switching power supply, 100 to 240 volts auto, so no configuration required. 50-60 hertz without a problem. So the grounding locations, if you need a special grounding location in accordance with local code, we have an earth ground screw here. We also have a terminal block here that we use for earth grounding. So earth grounding, as you'll notice, actually just runs in here to this cable, circles around, and actually attaches to the earth ground point here as well. So that's really where we establish the grounding bonding inside the enclosure.